Welcome back to the Pixel Pub, everyone. Today we've got a special new lighting attachment delivered to us straight from Geekoto. This is the Geekoto GEEK Mod. Whoa. This is the Geekoto GEEK Mod E36 SoftBox. Now, a softbox is probably only important to people that are going into the more professional aspect of content creation and streaming. This is one of those things that is going to fit on a professional studio light. It comes with a couple of things like that Bowens mount that is very universal when it comes to attaching to studio lights. Here we've got the two panels for the double diffusion throughout this softbox. But a studio light, something like the NC60B like I've got, is definitely a higher end type of light, not meant for everybody. But I'm not gonna lie, ever since I started using it, has really upped the quality of my content. It didn't take long to get this 36-inch softbox out of the beautiful carry bag and onto the light. It did take a little bit of muscle to get locked in, but once it's up there, I'm not planning on taking it down for quite a while. Either way, I wanted to do a couple of tests. So I'm recording what a typical unboxing of my ROG Ally might look like with just the lighting from the exact same light at the exact same brightness without the softbox as well as with the softbox, so that you can see exactly what's going on when you attach something like a softbox to your light. A softbox isn't exactly easy to explain what's going on other than the light is just softer. You'll notice in this comparison when I put them side by side that the shadows with the non-softbox version of the light, the shadows are just a lot harder. You can see the line where the shadow exists. And with the softbox on, those lines become a lot less dramatic. One of the other things that I couldn't find on the website was the actual length of how far the softbox would stick out from the actual light. But taking a look with the tape measure, the softbox comes about that 26 inches off of the light. So keep that in mind when you're looking at purchasing a softbox for yourself. Most of the time, the bigger the softbox, the more the light is going to be diffused, the softer the light is going to look, and typically people like that kind of thing, but it all really comes down to what you want your lighting to look like. Either way, this is the Geekoto GEEK Mod E36, and I'm really excited to add it to the Pixel Pub studio.